Thank everybody out there for tuning in. Y'all know what this is, man. It's JFK's way. Of course, I'm doing things my way, man. I'm JFK. I am the coolest comic book collector out. Most fitted hats, without a doubt. That's like my slogan. So you guys see what's going on a little bit behind me. A little bit of baseballism, a little bit of comic books. But today, you guys know I'm sticking straight to the fitted hats, man. I'm jumping straight into these boxes. Some stuff that you do not see every day, because that's what I'm about, man. You know, I know there's a lot of hat clubs, a lot of lids, and et cetera, sports world. A lot of hats that you could be chasing, but throughout the community, I see one thing that I see commonly go on. A lot of people chase the same hats. So me, again, I'm born in the year of the Tiger. You guys see what I'm repping, man. I'm repping the Tigers right now, but I got some stuff I'm gonna show you guys that everybody does not have. So stick to the rarities and stay tuned, man. We can get straight into this right now. This right here, I don't know what it is. I don't know what any of these are because I openly and honestly have not busted these open. So let's get straight to this, see what's in this box, man. But I'm super happy, man. I'm super happy to get some of these because I've been anticipating some of these. It's something I actually did pick up. This right here that I'm going to show you guys, this is from the New Era company themselves. Not a lids release, but I wish we got more of this logo. It's one of my favorite minor league logos of all time. And if you know me, you know what I'm talking about. That bird, man, that bird right there. I actually, believe it or not, I dated a girl named Jennifer Lopez when I was younger. Yes, I know, ironic as hell, but she was actually from The Rock. She was from Rochester, y'all. So, yeah, this right here, this is a hat from the Midnight Collection, I believe. This right here is just something that you cannot pass up because, again, you do not see this logo all the time. Of course, as you guys see, there's actually a white interior. Why is there a white interior sweatband? New Era. Which I don't know why they did this, but for comfortability reasons, I actually do like white sweatbands. They're made out of different materials, so they definitely feel good on head. But they just get dirty really fast. But yeah, man, this right here, this bird, clean, man, clean. Outlined with a little bit of blues. That red bird, that jersey is actually purple. The bat is blue. It's actually purple and blue outlined around it. I love it, man. I love it. It's a blank, what some people call a plain Jane. The New Era sign sticks out, so I love that. Absolutely love that. This is definitely one of my favorite hats. I got a trip coming up real soon, studio performance, so I'm definitely gonna be rocking this when I'm in the studio. Y'all stay tuned for that. Got some heat coming out, man. Me and my man Bez working on some things, man. We're working on some things. SDM, man. Shouts out to my man TY's out there too. They know that I'm in the fitteds, man. They know what I do. They know what I do. So we're gonna jump right into this next box, man. Let's see what we got. What we got in here, man. Again, something you don't see every day. I promise. These logos and these. Now this is crazy because this is from the All-Star release, I believe. This is called. They don't even have it listed on here. Thought they would have. But this, if you guys check me out, man. Follow my videos if you're new to my channel. I know what to do, man. Hit the subscribe. I drop videos every week. You know what I mean? Help me run some of these numbers up. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys my designs pretty soon. I got some hats I'm actually going to be having made. Hopefully I can get in tune with somebody that's going to stay on board with me and we can make some of these hats happen for y'all. But this right here is a Toronto Blue Jays, the band logo from 2003. This logo was actually used one time in baseball history. One time. And then with the whole roiding and the steroids and everything, they thought a muscle bird at that time would be a very bad logo to have. So this logo was actually used for 2003 and then removed. So I love this though, man. I absolutely love this. This is something, again, you don't see this every day. So there is actually a ton of colors actually for this. They Hat Club released, I think, 2 or 3 just this year alone. I don't own any of those. Okay, I don't chase the hype. I don't chase the resellers. So it's really the color scheme that they use for the hat. So as you guys see, it's actually two-tone. This is like an eggshell shade, kind of vanilla-ish actually. This is navy, and this is actually red. You guys see the eyelets are actually red all around. So I had to do that, man. I had to do that. Again, I collect these logos. I think this is 23 or 24. I think this is 24 actually. So I have 24 hats with this logo on it. You guys check my page, follow through. I actually showed you guys some other ones that I had in my collection earlier. I want to say sometime last year or mid to late last year. But just because we on that panel, we on that right there, I'm gonna show you guys another one. Again, this is right here is something that you do not see every day. I promise you, I've never seen another human with this hat. This right here is what I'm calling the South Beach. Now this is also the same logo, Toronto Blue Jays, right? But as you guys see, this is like a tealish shade. It's that South Beach, man. I'll probably more than likely never ever wear this, but pink New Era sign, see how that pops off, how that sticks out. Pink button at the top. The eyelids are actually black on this, but just all around clean, man. Pink UV, before pink UVs were made, before pink UVs were a thing by your man Pink Bottom Just. So shouts out to them. But the bird is actually teal. So you guys can actually look, certain hats you can literally see and tell they're just from a different timeline. So this right here was definitely from a little over a decade ago. Just one of my favorites. Honestly, one of my favorite logos of all time. Next one we're gonna get into the grand finale, the last box right here from the mail. And some of this stuff, like I said, man, I pre-ordered these right here. I ordered, I don't even know how long ago, but I think from the weight of it, I think this is the overseas package I was waiting on. And just like anything else, man, with comics, with shoes, there's certain stuff that releases overseas that America never ever gets. So there was also teams that play overseas that have never ever hit the United States. So over here, a lot of people would know they exist. And yes, that's what these are. Let me drop that box and let me get right to this pack. You can't see that as of yet, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you guys some real exclusivity right now, man. I'm super hyped to get these because I'm like a kid, bro. I swear, like I was really waiting for these. You guys see that Panther behind me? Y'all see it? This right here is something you will probably never ever see in stores. This is from NRL. It says NRL supporter on the tag, officially licensed product. You guys see that? New Era, the size patch. Yes, it's my size. So by purchasing this officially licensed product, you are supporting the growth and development of rugby league and your club. Proudly produced under and licensed by New Era Cap Code. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you didn't know what it was, NRL, the National Rugby League. So yeah, that's a rugby team, man. That Panther, how often you see a Panther on a fitted? It felt like it was only right that I had to, you know, accommodate that with the Black Panther poster, man. So glorious, man, glorious. You guys know what I do, man. Again, and what they not doing out there, man. You see that New Era sign sticking out. I love seeing that. I like people to know I got a New Era on. If you look at this from afar, you really can't even tell. Like, it's there, but you can't really tell. That's all these new age people, man. That's what they doing. All this new stuff is like, and this right here, whoo, Year of the Tiger, man. Year of the Tiger, man. I told y'all what time it is with me. Year of the Tiger, man. For real, for real. Now this says official AFL. Y'all see this? Official AFL. And the price tag I got for these, man, the deal I got on these, I just really couldn't pass these up. Both of these are my size. This says established in 1885. So that was literally over 100 years before I was even born. But again, you see that Tigers time, man. You know what we doing, man. You look at the bottom, it says AFL Toyota. If you guys do not know, that is football. For those of you guys that don't know, you can see that sticker AFL Toyota. But yo, that's my pickups, man. That's my recent mail call for the day. I'm glad I got to show you guys these 5-6 hats. Show you guys some stuff you do not see all the time. But yo, thank you guys for tuning in. And yo, comment, man. Hit me up. Let me know what you guys think. You guys got a favorite? If you don't got a favorite, if you wasn't feeling them, the rarity, you know what you think about it. But yo, peace and love. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to catch me probably in about another 4 or 5 days. Like I said, I got another video coming out. I just feel like now it's time to, even if I don't got the actual hats, I'm going to show you guys some of my logos that I'm actually going to be getting stitched and embroidered on some hats. So yo, peace and love. Thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, I will catch you on the next one.